problems based on terms of a sequence. So here we are going to discuss few problems which are based upon the terms of a sequence. Problems based on terms of a sequence, that too in an advanced level. So here, before going to the statement of a progression, that is the definition of a progression, so we have discussed about the sequence, finite sequence, infinite sequence, real sequence. Now we are going to perform few problems under the terms of sequence. So here the problem number 1 is of find the 10th and 15th term, find the 10th and 15th terms of the sequence which is defined by. So here the sequence is defined by means of a certain condition, that is Tn is equals to, that is the nth term is given as n square plus 1 if n is of even, and only n square when n is of an odd. So we have to find out the 10th term and as well as the 15th term of the sequence which is defined by means of Tn equals to n square plus 1 when n is even and n square when n is odd. Solution starts now. So in our solution, so as per the problem, so here the nth term is given by means of, the sequence is defined by means of Tn. So here nth term is given by means of n square plus 1 when n is of an even number. So here n square when n is of an odd number. So this is given first. So here we have to find out the 10th term and as well as the 15th term. So in the first case, that is case number 1, we have to find out 10th term which is denoted by T10 equals to the question mark. But so here n is equals to 10 which is an even number. Since n is of 10 which is an even number, then we have to prefer, so nth term condition as, so here therefore nth term will be of, as per the problem, the nth term will be of if it is an even number. So we have to prefer nth term as n square plus 1. Then now, so here as per the problem we have to find out the 10th term. So here T10, so here n must be replaced by means of 10. So here at n is equals to 10, by substituting n as 10 on the right hand side. So here n must be replaced by means of 10, but it is of n square. So we have to write it as 10 square, then now plus of 1. So that implies 10 square. So 10 must be repeatedly multiplied 2 times or twice. So 10 into 10 is of 100. Then now plus 1, that implies 100 plus 1 is of 101. So in this manner I got say here therefore, so here 10th term T10 is of 101. Then now case number 2. In case number 2, we have to find out as per the problem, we have to find out the 15th term also. So here 15th term is equals to question mark, but here n value is of, so here n value is of 15, but it is an odd number. Since 15 is an odd number, then we have to choose as per the problem. When n is of odd number, then we have to write the nth term as n square. So therefore, so here Tn is equals to n square when n is of an odd number. In order to find out the 15th term, so here T15 is equals to, so n must be replaced by means of 15. So here at n is equals to 15, so here n must be replaced by means of 15 on the right hand side also. So here that equals to n replaced by means of 15, but is of n square. So we have to write as a 15 whole square. Then 15 whole square can be written as 15 into 15. 15 repeatedly multiplied twice. 15 15 is of 225. So here 15 into 15, 5 5 is of 25, 5 1s 5 plus 2 is of 7, then 1 into 5 is of 5, 1 1 is of 1. Then now by adding up here, so we will get 5, then now 7 plus 5 is of 12, 1 plus 1 is of 2. So in this manner we will be getting 225 as the 15th term. So in this manner, therefore T15 15th term is of 225. Then now let us go for the one more example, that is example number 2.